The sound of the Ankh. Let's listen very close. This is the sound of the Ankh. There is no spark due to the boy being grounded by the hand on his back. This is how electrons accumulate around noble metals. These headdresses are made of copper. The death masks are made of gold. Remember, charges collect on rounded things and discharge on pointed things. The Ankh is the perfect critical angle between a circle and a point. The cross-section of the Ankh controls the discharge rate of the tip electrons, as not to blow the collected electrons away. Here we see the charging in progress. This is your first eye, not your third. It is referred to as the Eye of God.